You love multicolor printers. I know I do. I think they are exceptional. Have all these colors, all these options, but you find with the amount of waste it generates and time it takes to swap between them, it's just annoying. It turns into just a storage rack. Flashforge has an answer, guys. Multi-tool heads in there that hold each filament, so the hot end grabs the filament head, moves them in prints 500% faster in a near zero waste, guys. Watch out. I've had nothing but an excellent time with Flashforge products so far, and that's honesty. Right now, I'm printing this little cool dragon for my son. The ease of use of the software connectivity, I can check it out on my phone. The amount of files that they have on their software just natively. I get it. In the past, this was much more of a hobby thing where you had to really be nitty gritty. I mean, I do electric vehicles on the side. I fully aware of how nitty gritty and niche those things are and how you really have to get deep into it. But things change over time. They become more mainstream. They become easier, more accessible. So at a certain point, you have to ask yourself, this came out last year and got the gold, and I think this got the silver. This should have got the silver, or this should have got the gold. This should have got the silver. This thing, like, yes, packaged well, hard case, but you have to put a Raspberry Pi to check your shit or do some weird mirroring. And I get it, you can. You should not have to. It was a slight added thing to it. Shouldn't have been that big of a deal. And this, didn't have an enclosure. So they have the fix for that now with the Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro. The Creator 5 Pro does look amazing. It is $799. If you don't get the early bird special, it's $949. Now the Creator 5 itself is $649 or $799 if you don't get the early bird special. So check the link, guys. Do not miss this opportunity. Guys, the 85X by Flashforge is absolutely exceptional. I love it. I love the multicolor. I love so many things about it. Now, there are some negatives about it. I really just use this as like a storage rack to switch between the different colors that I have to change it often. It still works exceptionally well with that, but because the time it takes to switch colors and the waste amount of, like, look at all that poop back there. That's overflow from a bucket back there, and I have another bucket below my feet. So you waste a good bit over time when you actually watch it mount up, especially when you have a lot of color changes, and things like this or something like this. So then you're gonna eat up a lot of filament over time and realize how much you're wasting. Now the answer to that is the Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro. Now the Creator 5 is just like the 85X in the sense of it doesn't come with an enclosure of any kind. It does do the 4 colors, and it does, obviously, a big picture will be up here. It has the 4 tool heads there, so it'll change as quick and have near zero waste, just the same as the Creator 5 Pro. Now, the Creator 5 Pro will be much closer to the Centauri Carbon. It will have an enclosure. It will have an enclosure similar in this sense, but in this design. It's tall. It has active cooling on the inside, filters, fans, lights, things like that. I'm seeing the camera is even better. So it's just a better option, more versatile, more family friendly, and things like that. So by all means, the Creator 5 Pro will have some obvious feature difference. So the Creator 5 itself is say near zero purge waste, multicolored printing up to 500% faster, guys. That is insanity. 4 tool heads, 1 print. That's amazing. After that Snapback came out with theirs, I guess everyone's moving to that as well, and I'm happy Flashforge did, but honestly. It's built to last. They have 300,000 plus hours tested on their printers. Guys, this isn't a hoax. They're about their shit. 256 by 256 by 256 build volume, guys. Plus fleet management. All the things I love about this right here was missing so many things I love about Flashforge product. Now, fuck this. The Creator 5 is insanity. Now it is everything that I want in a 3D printer. I mean, I'm not exaggerating. It was like these were the perfect partners. They were missing each other's things, but now we don't have to have that. We can just have the one printer. And with the Creator 5 Pro, fully enclosed design, obviously, so it's a lot quieter. It's going to be quieter to run things like this. Even with this enclosure, there's air gaps. I didn't cover with any kind of sealant or anything, so it's still just about as loud. I'm not gonna lie. So continuous airflow cooling mode for PLA, TPU, PETG, and PLA. Carbon fiber, wart-free printing with door closed. So things, like maintaining the actual temperature like it's supposed to. Top tier air purification with an H13 HEPA medical grade filter. Premium coconut carbon filter. Let's go. Many use cases, education, print farms, just being more family friendly and overall. I think this printer is really going to change things, honestly.